5 plus 5 gives us 10. 2 times 10 gives us 20. And lastly, 20 divided by 20 gives us 1. But 1 is not the correct answer because we didn't follow one of the most important mathematical rules, which is called the order of operations. The order of operations can be remembered by PEMDAS. P, E, M, D, A, S. Each letter stands for different operation. P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and lastly, S stands for subtraction. Remember, multiplication and division share same level, also addition and subtraction. Now we're gonna follow this PEMDAS to solve this question one more time. 20 divided by 5 plus 5 times 2. So first we need to do operation inside the parentheses. 5 plus 5 gives us 10. This expression can be written in the form of 20 divided by 10 times 2. Remember, number next to parentheses, which means multiplication. So it is going to be 20 divided by 10 times 2, right? Now we have division and multiplication. According to the PEMDAS, division and multiplication share same level. So what should we do? Should we start with division or multiplication? In this case, when we have both division and multiplication in one expression, you need to start your work from left and go to the right. So first left one, in this case, division. 20 divided by 10 gives us 2, and 2 times 2 gives us 4, and 4 is your answer.